For dry strands that are thirsty for some serious moisture, use the new Hydro Rush collection that drenches hair with 3 times more hydration. Infused with squalane and hyaluronic acid, the silicone-free collection promotes moisture retention and boosts hair hydration for 72 hours. Start with the Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Shampoo for a hydrating cleanse and massage the luxurious lather through wet hair. Then follow up with the Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Conditioner for deep hydration. Massage it through mid-lengths to ends, letting it sit for a bit before rinsing. Not only does this duo quench hair's thirst, but it also reduces breakage by 50%, making it a go-to wash pair. After towel drying, spray the Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Leave-In Conditioner throughout hair for long-lasting hydration. Pro tip: use this on dry hair to tame flyaways and reduce frizz. To finish off this hair hydration routine, apply the no-rinse Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment from mid-lengths to ends right before bedtime for hair that is 3 times more hydrated by morning.